Type of rims. First, we should speak up about materials, and then construction, then design types. Chapter Folking, Moking, Smoking, Uno. Car rims primarily fall into steel, alloy, forged, and chrome. Steel rims are durable, affordable but heavy, and doesn't look that good. Primarily used for winter because they doesn't care about what beyond, and easy to fix or even buy new. Alloy rims are is lighter material and wide variety of styles, rust resistant. More expensive and modern cars usually use them because of the lightweight make better handling, quicker acceleration, braking, and improved ride comfort because the suspension can react faster to road bumps, maintaining better tire contact for grip. Forged wheels means shaped by heating and hammering metal. It's premium, high-strength automotive wheels made by pressing a solid block of aluminum into shape, so extremely strong and lightweight, so this is expensive. Improved performance by light and strong wheel will get race car moving. Chrome rims, Mexico production. It is just a finish, shiny coating, a chrome plating applied over steel or alloy rims for a shiny, reflective look, but it also affects performance, making wheel heavier, which is good for stability and protecting metal from rust. High maintenance though. Chapter Tuno. The structure monoblock, one piece. The entire wheel is made from a single piece of metal. 95% of wheels on the road are monoblock, can be steel or aluminum alloy. Multi-piece, 2-piece or 3-piece. The wheel is built from separate parts that are bolted or welded together, most of the time made exclusively for the customer. Chapter 3. Design. You can usually categorize any wheel design by looking at two things: the spoke pattern, the shape, and the face profile, the depth. 1. Spoke patterns 5-spoke, the absolute classic. It is the most common design for sports cars because it is lightweight, structurally efficient, and easy to clean. Split spoke, or Y-spoke. Instead of a single solid bar, the spoke splits into two, often forming a Y or V shape as it reaches the rim. This adds visual detail while maintaining strength. Multi-spoke features many thin spokes, often 10 to 20. This design is associated with luxury and touring cars like BMW or Mercedes because it distributes load very evenly, though they are harder to clean. But you don't have to do it. Mesh. The spokes crisscross to form a web or diamond pattern. This is a classic motorsport design because the interlocking structure is incredibly strong. Aero/disc. A nearly solid face with very small windows or no spokes at all. These are used on electric vehicles and rally cars to reduce air drag and improve aerodynamics. Turbine directional. The spokes are angled or twisted so they look like a fan blade. They are directional, meaning the left and right wheels must be mirror images of each other to look correct. 2. Face profiles, the depth. Flat face. The spokes are flush with the outer edge of the rim, maximizes space for the brakes inside the wheel. And to see difference, deep dish, deep lip. The center face is pushed far back, leaving a wide polished lip or shelf on the outer edge. This is purely for aggressive style. Concave. The spokes start at the outer edge and curve inward toward the center, and even more to spend time on specialized functional designs. Beadlock, off-road, contains a heavy ring of bolts around the outer edge. For physically clamp the tire to the wheel so it doesn't pop off when driving with low air pressure. And also exist simulated beadlocks. Look like they have bolts, but it's just for style, so no balls at all. Wire wheels, hundreds of thin metal wires connecting the hub to the rim, primarily found on classic British cars or lowriders. Looks like the same thing as multi-spoke but one. Made always from steel, almost. 2. They are laced, but multi-spoke are solid piece of metal. I hope this base knowledge of rims was helpful. If something wrong, leave a comment. Will be very sweet of you.